thing I wanted to ask you. The
Yes.
end belt for Carl. +4 +05.
Hello, Cassie. because it is hardened after the welding. The material hardened is very hard, and after that you can go higher speed, very fast. Faster now. It's kind of a cast iron alloy which really hardens after the welding. Yes, it was welded previously by somebody else. See how bad is the welding? I can show you how bad is this welding, but it is what it is. Somebody did a bad job. And now we have to fix the seal surface with a bronze sleeve. Yes, in our shop the welding it's much better. See the way it looks. Somebody had some issues, either a different material or the material didn't stick, or I don't know what was happened here, but the welding is bad. But because of the welding, the whole shaft, this shaft is one piece, it's kind of a cast iron, the whole piece is one and because of the welding, the whole thing hardened. But it will be okay. The insert I use, it's a pretty tough one, but I still have some issues. See, in the beginning here, you have to go slow. I will show you the box from the inserts. They are very good ones. Okay, I'm going to show you the inserts. Okay, so here is the inserts I use. It's a very good brand. Okay, so these are the ones. If I can zoom in. So this is the one. It says Ken Metal. Yeah, so these are the ones. They are doing a very good job. This is the numbers. Turning inserts from Ken Metal, and we ordered it from um, MSC. Yeah, these are the company who provide us, MSC. But they are very good. See how bad is in the beginning. Sounds terrible. There is a deep groove right there. Are you talking about the bearing surface or the seal surface? Of course, before to put the sleeve on, the sleeve needs to be warm up. We have to heat up the sleeve. I'm gonna make it 2-3 thousandths oversized on the shaft, and the sleeve will be heat up, and then it's gonna be a shrink fit. But yes, the surface needs to be nice, but a little bit rough will not hurt, will just help. When I'm going to put it on, maybe I can put my phone on the stand so I can show you how that things will work. Since you have the shaft size 2-3 thousandths oversized, then I think right now I am in metric, so it is 31 millimeters 75, and I'm gonna make the shaft 31 millimeters 85 hundredths, and that's around 3 thousandths oversized. Yeah, I can put it in a freezer, but I really don't have to deal with that, with the shaft in the freezer, since the bronze material, it's very good for to expand. So 2-3 thousandths is gonna expand, and then it's gonna shrink fit on the shaft. So, but yeah, it's a good idea for the freezer. Sometimes we do that. Yes, different application. But in this case, I'm not going to put the shaft in the freezer. It will be just for I'm gonna heat up the sleeve, the bronze sleeve, and it will go really nice. Chicago, Illinois is the location. Chicago, Illinois, and this is the company. Goding Electric. Very busy, lots of work. Um, so busy is good, and well, I don't know why things go slow, but we are in the repair business, so we repair lots of electrical motors, pumps, and other things. We retrofit other things, and we are very busy all the time, all the time. We work on the AC motors, DC motors, pumps, Tsurumi pumps a lot. Tsurumi pumps. It's next to us, so they send us lots of pumps from Japan to be rewinded. So they need to be wined, and then we send them back to the customers. Oil industry seems dead. I don't know. I am not familiar with that. We have some oil because when we have a gearbox or a transformer oil, we have. I will show you our barrels with oil. That's very interesting. It's right here. So we have tea oil right here, the tea oil, and we have the number 330 right here. So number 8, number 6. So this is our shelf with oil barrels. Wow. Yeah, so this is the way, this is the stand. When you're talking about the flanges and shaft for the oil pump, that means they are, I think they are pretty big sizes, right? The shaft, the flanges, I think they are pretty big size. Here in our company we have 5 lathes. This is one of them. We have another one right here, a smaller size a little bit. We have a milling machine right here, and we have another big lathe right here, and another one right there. So we have another big one right here. So we can handle lots of stuff. Well, 24 inches is, if you go all the way up to 24 inches, that's big. It's nice. Take some videos. We pretty soon after this job is done, we have to handle these 2 end belts, which are huge, pretty big ones. So these 2, I cannot move them without a hoist. They are very heavy, but you have an idea. I can put the tape measure. Let's put the measuring tape on it to see roughly what's the. Okay, so this one is 24 inches right here.
So this is 24 inches end belt. Yeah, this is next for our job. They need to be indexed. They never were prepared. They are very heavy. It's going to be fun. Yeah, they are going to be done in this lathe. This one handles a lot. This lathe it's made in Poland. It's a Polish lathe, but it was from the area when the Germans was in Poland. So in that time it was made in Germany, but then Poland took back the territory. So this big lathe, big strong lathe, is Polish. Very good. We do a lot of job into this one. Very high quality is this one. And we have big sleeves right there for any sizes. So we have 160, 150 millimeters, 190 down there. There are sleeves 200, 215, 200, 280, 260 millimeters sleeves. And then we have a bunch of small ones right there. 125, 100, 90, 80. Very nice stuff. And then we have the steel. Sometimes we do not have the right size, so we have to custom made it. And right here is just bronze sleeves, and up there it's stainless steel.